we're gonna go visit my pretend farm, discover the farm animals, learn about them, and the sounds that they make. Did you hear that? That was a woof woof. I wonder what animal would make that sound? Yes, a dog. Dog. Look, the dog hiding behind the doghouse. Did you hear that sound? I heard a meow. Let's try to guess the animal that makes that sound. The cat! Yay! The cat makes the meow sound. Meow, meow. Can you do that with me? Meow. Great. Did you hear that? That was a tweet tweet from a bird. Can you say bird with me? Bird. 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 Yes, you're doing a great job. I'm a dog and I go woof woof. Woof woof. Woof woof. I'm a cat and I go meow. 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 I'm a horse and I go neigh neigh. Neigh neigh. Neigh neigh. I'm a cow and I go moo moo. Moo moo. Moo moo. I'm a sheep and I go ba ba. Ba ba. Ba ba. I'm a pig and I go oink oink. Oink oink. Oink oink. I'm a duck and I go quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. I'm a chick and I go chip chip. Chip chip. Chip chip. Look, there's a little bunny with fur soft and shiny. What does bunny say? Twitch, twitch. Twitch, twitch. Yes, that's right. But look, bunny looks so still. Do you think bunny is ill? Shall we sing a song to the bunny so the bunny can wake up and we can play? Yeah? Okay. See the little bunny sleeping until midday. Shall we call the doctor or is he on his way? Maybe he is ill. Why is he so still? Wake up, little bunny. Let's try again. See the little bunny sleeping until midday. Shall we call the doctor or is he on his way? He is so still. Is the bunny ill? Wake up, little bunny. Bunny woke up. Now, let's hop like bunny. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Twitch, little bunny, twitch, twitch, twitch. Twitch, little bunny, twitch, twitch, twitch. Twitch, little bunny, twitch, twitch, twitch. Twitch, twitch, twitch. One more time. Let's do this again. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Now, stop. Did you stop? One more time. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop and stop. Yes, awesome. What is that sound? It sounds like an oink, oink. Oink, oink. What animal does that sound? No. No. A horse? No. No. I wonder. A pig! Yes! Yes, that's right. A pig goes oink, 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 oink. Look at the pig. Pig. Pig is hungry. Pig wants to eat. Hungry pig. Hungry pig. Would you like to see some more pigs? More pigs? Say, please, please. Look, there are more pigs over there. Pink pig, pink pig, dirty pig, dirty pig. Did you hear this other sound? It sounds like moo, moo. What animal does that sound? And where is that sound coming from? Let's check it out. I think it's coming from the barn. Yes. What was the sound again? Moo. That's right. It's a cow. Cow. Look at the brown cow over there. The cow looks hungry. Hungry cow. Hungry cow. The cow is eating. The cow is eating. The cow is thirsty too. The cow is thirsty too. The cow is drinking water. The cow is drinking water. Thirsty cow. Thirsty cow. This is a white goat. Can you say goat? Goat? Yes. Can you pretend you have horns like a goat? Goat with horns. Horns. Yes. The goat looks thirsty. The goat is drinking water. Can you do this sound? Meh, meh. This is the sound that a goat makes. Meh, meh. Yes, I heard a neigh. I wonder where the sound is coming from. I think it's coming from the barn. Yes. Neigh, neigh. I wonder what animal would make that sound. Maybe a horse. Yes, yes, that's right. Yes, a horse. Look at the horses. Beautiful horses. Brown horse. Brown horse. Horse is hungry. Horse is hungry. Horse is thirsty. Thirsty. Horse is drinking water. Drinking water. Bye-bye, horses. Bye-bye. What's our next animal? I heard a quack quack. Uh-oh. Look, Mama Duck and the ducklings. Yeah. Beautiful ducklings. Ducklings are thirsty. They are drinking water from the pond. Thirsty ducklings. thirsty ducklings swimming in the pond. Bye-bye, ducklings. Now let's pretend we're ducks and we're gonna quack together. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. I'm a little duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. I'm a little duck. Quack, quack, quack. Great job. Can you say duck with me? Duck. 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 And now let's repeat the sound that the duck makes. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. That's right. Well done. Now that we've got to know the farm animals and their sounds, let's sing Old Macdonald Had a Farm. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, and a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a baba here and a baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here woof, there woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thank you for singing with me.